back to Squishy. Today I have a video for you that I was supposed to do yesterday, but I just was pretty busy. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've just been, I have no excuses. I've just been procrastinating and I've been forgetting. And I have been pretty busy actually, but yeah, because I am a bit sick right now, so if my voice sounds weird, just ignore that. But today, as you can see, I'm going to be unboxing one of, I think this is a new series, yeah. Smooshy Mushy, Squishy, and look how cute this is. I don't know if you guys can see, but there is some not slime, but it's not definitely not milk, but something that looks like milk a little bit, or like water on the edges. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, this was about $9-10 at Walmart, and they did also have a gumball one, or a gumball machine one. Like the container of it was a gumball machine, but I just decided to get this one because I thought it was a little bit cuter. So enough with the chit chat. Let's just get on into this. And okay, wait, I really want that unicorn because I love unicorns so much. They're like, now that I've got this open, look at that. That is so cute. I just think this is adorable. I'm gonna close my eyes because I want it to be a surprise. Oh, inside that looks cool. That looks really cool, actually. Oh, it's covered. Oh, that is cool. Okay, so first I'm gonna open the bestie. Okay, so it comes with this adorable little thing where the ball chains come in. And okay, and then I'm pretty sure this is the chart. I'm not gonna look yet. Well, actually I will. Wait, not gonna look yet. Having trouble opening things today. Okay, oh my goodness. Look, they have a really cool Okay, so I'm gonna not look at that because wait, hold on. Wow, that's that's really good compared to the last bestie I got. It was not very slow rising, but that's really good. And it's so cute too. Alright, now. Oh, I know which one it is. Hold on. This is so cute. I love how there's like a mystery thing on it. Look at that. It is a little puppy. I shouldn't have looked at the sticker. Look, the sticker gives it away. I like it to be a surprise, but that's okay. Did you guys see how squishy that was? That is very squishy. On this bestie. Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna put the ball chain in. I'm not sure why it came with orange. I mean, doesn't really match it very well. I mean, wait, does it have to match? Never mind. Usually I just think the ball chains match the squishy, but that's totally fine. And then this is so cute. I have like a bestie collection of probably like 15 besties or something. Maybe, sorry, I'm like, dying. No. There we go. Alright. So, I think this was definitely worth $9. I really, really like it. It is adorable. And these, that's scary. It was just like this right next to it. Sorry guys. I just really think this was adorable, and it was totally worth $9, and I just love it so much. It is so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you all have a great day. See you guys in my next one. Bye!